Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
You can usually see a fetal heartbeat on an ultrasound as early as 6 weeks into pregnancy. A transvaginal ultrasound detects the tiny flicker that confirms the embryo's heartbeat. By 7 to 8 weeks, it becomes more clearly visible and measurable. This early sign reassures doctors and parents that fetal development is progressing well.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.